There's a tale long ago, even the breathing don't remember. This was not about today, it happened many days away. It's a tale about today. It's a tale of long ago. Somebody said, wait, don't go away from my safe. Turn back now, don't leave town, but I was blind, didn't read the signs. Yeah, I ran, didn't understand, came back strong. Thought I won, thought the love was still mine, but she was gone. Different time, evening glow, streetlights flow, heartbeat fast, moving slow. Then a voice from the door, you don't live here anymore. Now I walk alone, no place called home. No one stops me, no one calls me. Long time ago, even the wind don't know. Yeah. Spring was at the height of youth. The air was gentle, sweet with truth. I don't know why I lost control. Yeah, I left my house, I left my soul. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a tale in a way. With your grace they try to say, please return or go away. For my sake, with me you stay. Yeah, it's a tale of long ago. Oh, but I did not understand. Never saw what fate had planned. I don't know why I lost control. I left my house, I left my soul. Yeah, yeah. It's a tale of long ago. I came back into the town. Thought the love I lost was found. She was distant, far from me. Yeah, my only destiny. Yeah, yeah. It's a tale of long ago. On a lovely evening, bright, I went to greet her in the light. Saw the colors of the street, felt the rhythm in my feet. Yeah, yeah. It's a tale of long ago. Someone whispered from inside, this is not your home, they cried. Don't return, don't come this way. Now that same sweet evening's here. Spring still whispers in my ear.